Yeah, you want to watch this to the very end? Don't click off. Watch to the very end. Let's go. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is David Isamoje. Yes, I make designs for print on demand sites, matched by Amazon, Redbubble, Teespring, Teespring. That's all my channel is about, and I give tips time to time about print on demand. So if there's something you're interested, make sure you subscribe, because time to time I give a shout out like I'm doing in this video. So I want to make a shout out to every one of you who have subscribed to my channel. If you're seeing your name on the screen right now, I just want to say thank you. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. I give out this shout out time to time, so I just really want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are really amazing. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I'm here for you. I'll create these designs daily, and if I don't do it daily, I'm going to do it Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So you'll rest assured you're going to get at least 3 designs a week. So please, if it's something you're interested in and you want to keep on watching, you want to learn how to create this design, you want to get design inspirations for yourself, make sure you stick around, because that's what my channel is about. As you can see, I make these designs. I make a lot of them. I've made 143 episodes since I started this channel in January. So I've been making a lot of those designs, as you can see. So with my thumbnail, if you see my videos, you're going to know is it. And I use Canva for my design. So without wasting much of your time, without talking too much, I'm going to go straight into this one so that I don't waste much of your time. Yes, some of you said that you don't see me using Canva Pro and you want to see me using Canva Pro. So from now on, I'm going to be using my Canva Pro for my design, so that you guys know I use Canva Pro, because if you're serious about print on demand, you need Canva Pro, plain and simple. And if you want Canva Pro 30 days free on me, make sure you check the first link in the description. So let's wait for Canva to open. While it opens, we just get straight to work and work on this new design. So now, as you can see, it's opening. This is my account. So the first step is to create a new design, custom dimension. Most of you already know this dimension, but for those who have been asking, it's 4500 by 5400. Create a new design. It opens on a new tab. So now you're gonna see it for yourself that I use Canva Pro. I'm not gonna have the golden crown, which shows that people use the free version. As you can see, the interface is quite different. I'm using Canva Pro for this. As you can see, if I click on download, you don't see the usual crown. If you're using the free version, you see this crown will be gold in color, but you can see it's not gold in color. So that's not what we are here for. We're here to create something creative. So let's go do that. So I'm going to click on elements. This is also a Canva tutorial for those using Canva for the first time, or just trying to use Canva for the first time for their design. So click on element. I'm just going to search car, and let's see what it brings out for us. Canva produces a lot of images. Most of them, as you can see, this one is pro, and I can use this one obviously because see, this is a pro. I can use them in my design because this Canva is pro. I have the pro version, so I'm going to use one. So let me just scroll through. As you can see, this is a free one. If you scroll through, you might find some other ones. This is pro. So I can just use one of these. Or use the first one, but I think I should use this. Or what do you guys think? Should I use this first one? Okay, so using this first one, I think I prefer using this one because it has some extra effects. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You have a lot you can choose from, but I'll just pick this one. As you can see, so I'm going to make it bigger. So to make it bigger, I'm going to move my cursor to this edge, press down my left mouse click button and drag my mouse outward to increase that, just like that. As you can see, just like that. So now I'm going to bring in my word. I'm not done yet, so I'm going to bring in my word here. So to do that, I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to find a cool text I can use for this. So I'm just going to scroll through. Just gonna scroll through and just find a good text I can use for my design. This is a retro-like. Let me just find a retro-like kind of text. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Let me just find a retro-like kind of text. Find a retro-like kind of text I can use. So I like this one, but to use this I'll have to create a border, which I don't want to do. So let me just keep going. I should find something cool. I should find something cool, something retro-like, something with the lights exactly like this. So let's click on this. So it's gonna appear here, as you can see. Let's make that bigger. So I'm gonna take this under. I want it to appear under, but first I'm just gonna duplicate this. So this one is gonna say the way I see life. Don't worry that it's too big. We're gonna reduce that. We're gonna reduce that, obviously. So now that we have that, we just move our cursor to this edge, press down and left mouse click button and just drag in words. So it's back in the Canva, and we're just gonna drag it this way. So now it says the way I see life, as you can see. So now we're just gonna make it bigger, just like that, just like that. So now that we have that, I can decide to move it down and move this image to the top. So to do that, I'm just going to click on this image and right click and move it forward, bring forward, just like that. So now we have it just like that. It says the way I see life. So we just have it like that, and we can just move it a bit up by moving our cursor up a bit, just like that. So as you can see, it says the way I see life. You can decide to add colors to the car if you want to, or change one of these colors. You can either change the color at the top or the one beneath it. So it's up to you to do that. You can either change one of the colors. You can either change one of the colors if you want, or you leave that the way it is. And for the car, you can just also change the color. You can make it, as you can see, green. You can make it black. You can make it white. But since we don't have anything black on our Canva, we just make it green. I think green should work for this. Green should work for this. This way we can put it on a black shirt, on a white shirt, and things like that. And as you can see, it didn't take us much time to get this done. It didn't take us just about 8 minutes. Just about 8 minutes to get this done. So now remember, this was a pro image, and I told you, if you are serious about print on demand, you need Canva Pro. Canva Pro is super easy to use. As you can see, mostly drag and drop. As you can see, drag, drop, enlarge. It's nothing too fancy, super easy to create all these designs. And a cool thing about it is that you get images using Photoshop. You have to go buy licensed pictures, licensed elements. But with this, you can just put 1 or 2 images together and it becomes a unique one. Yours, it becomes your very own. As simple as that. And secondly, when it comes to download is super important. Like if you click on download now, as you can see, I'm going to click on transparent. I want it to come without this white background. Which is super important if you're serious about print on design, because you can't please everybody with just one color, which is white. You can't please everybody. Everybody is different. Everyone is different. People want different colors, and you want to be able to create designs in different colors. Very important. You want to be able to create designs in different colors. So that is why you need Canva Pro again. You need Canva Pro because you always want to keep the background transparent so that you can upload it on so many colors, which is super important. But I got you covered. Like I said in the beginning, check the first link in the description and you are going to get Canva Pro for yourself. Yes, you heard me right, you're going to get Canva Pro for yourself. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you click the first link in the description to get Canva Pro. Sign up. They are not going to take your money at all. It's free for the first 30 days. Free gift on me. After the 30 days, you're going to love Canva Pro and you want to keep it. After then, fine. If you don't want, fine. But I'm definitely 100% sure you're going to keep it. So let's click on download. I'm going to prepare a download. And then I'm going to show you that it's going to download without the white background. That's because I'm using Canva Pro. So as you can see. So let's click on it and let's show folder. And you're going to see it's going to appear without the white background. Perfect. As you can see, the white background is out of the image. So we're just left with our elements and the way I see life. So this is a car niche. If you guys interested in cars, automobile, you will love this one. This one is for you guys. So as you can see, it just took us about 11 minutes to get this done. Nothing so fancy and we're good to go. So now you can go over, upload it to Redbubble, TeePublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon, and yes, make passive income doing it. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay safe, one love.